how has Bitcoin, evolved along the year. So you can see over here, this is a sort of a chart of where Bitcoin has, moved up and down. I use Bitcoin as an example because today is still the biggest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. Okay, so we look into back in history, 2010, one Bitcoin cost about 0.08 cents, and then the first major increase, it went 100 times, and that became of a value of about 8 cents per Bitcoin. Okay, so 2011, it suddenly jumped up again. It went to $1. From $1, it went to $32, and it fell back to $2. So from there, you can sort of see at the very early stages how volatile the value of Bitcoin is. So 2013, it went to $220 and then fell back to 70. Then 2017, you can see sort of this blip over here where it went from 1K to a high of 19K. So before that, not many people took notice, but suddenly there's a lot of interest back in 2017 where government started to take notice. There's a lot of retail investors that start by. Unfortunately, 2018, it fell back to about 3K. Yeah, and then you can see sort of the interest start hovering around that range for some time. So, sorry, that's not 2020, 2021. 2021 this year, as some of you might have seen, Bitcoin went up all the way to 60,000, and now today it's somewhat about 30,000 USD. And a lot of it is being driven by institutional interest. You see companies announcing their interest in Bitcoin, they're buying Bitcoins, they're putting in their balance sheet, their treasury funds, and there is also more hope that more companies are going to take on this. Okay, so you might have seen a lot of news, Elon Musk and Tesla announcing their stance on Bitcoin. Sometimes it changes here and there. MicroStrategy. On the other hand, you might have heard of China clamping down on cryptocurrency activities. So some of these has resulted in the ups and downs and swings of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.